This hair is giving. I mean, I wanted to do something special for the year ending and something that will look so amazing on me as we move to year 2025. This hair is mesmerizing, honestly. Hello everyone, and welcome back again to the channel. It's Momandprettyimisi here again, and in today's video I am gonna be installing Lavyhair. The color is kind of like purple and black, so you might have to like stick close to see it properly. So Lavyhair. Oh my goodness, look at this hair. So this is density cut bob wigs, summer trend scalp leave out. It is 100% woman hair, and the hair I'm holding here is 16 inches right here, and it is 300% density. This origin of this hair is Brazilian. They do have this same hair in Peruvian, Malaysian, and European as well. The U part here is 1 inch by 4 inches. They also have 2 inches by 4 inches. However you like your U part space, you can select what you like on their website. So this hair, I have this one in the breathable cap right here. You can select the regular black cap or the elastic drawstring cap. This hair is, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at the feel of this hair. It is 100% woman hair. You can scan their barcode and that will lead you directly to their website. Let's go ahead to installing this hair. This is my natural hair here. I'm gonna cut out its portion for the U shape. All right, lovelies, we're done installing this hair. Oh my goodness, this hair is absolutely mesmerizing. I wasn't so sure if my natural hair was gonna come out great, looking at the fact I had to leave my natural hair out, and the texture of my hair bothered me about this hair install. But fortunately, it came out so great. Looking at the way I kept on stretching it out to give me a similar texture with the human hair. Honestly, everyone, this is the best hair install of the year. Flawless hair install. I have left the link of this hair on the description of this video. Go ahead and grab one for yourself. Also, check out the website lavyhair.com. They have varieties of hair you can choose from. Honestly, thank you so much for watching. Until we see you again next time. Bye.